How to download Grab app on mobile. Want to book a ride, order food or pay bills all in one app? Here's how to download the Grab app on your mobile device in just few seconds. First, open the Play Store on your device. Now here at the bottom right corner you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Now tap the search bar at the top and type in Grab. Once you type it in, hit search. A list of apps will appear. It should be the first app that pops up. Find the official app and tap on it to open the details page. You can see the install button here. Tap on it. Wait a moment while it installs. It's a lightweight app so it won't take long. Once it's done, tap open and you are ready to sign up and log in. If it does not show in your region, you might need to check your country settings or try updating your Play Store. Ever use Grab for more than rides? Drop a comment and let me know your favorite feature so far. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.